What do you put your books in for school?
Bookshelf.
What makes a meow sound?
A dog.
What do you wear on your head to stay warm?
A ribbon.
What do you use to brush your teeth? Are you proud of your penis size?
Yes.
Are you proud of your penis size?
Yes.
Are you proud of your penis size?
Yes.
Are you proud of your penis size?
No. Wait.
When is Sam's birthday?
July 4th.
You think we know Sam's birthday?
It's December 14th.
December 15th, actually.
Are we the magic 8 ball? How are we supposed to know?
We're friends.
Who's someone you want to make out with?
My uncle.
That's real. Hit him.
What?
It's wrong answers only.
You're weird.
Name any number. What do you put in your mouth?
Money.
What is? Are you trying to send us to the hospital?
Yep.
Oh god.
You got this, George.
Name any fruit.
Tomato. Oh my God, that's a fruit.